Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best frozen French fries is Checkers and Rally's fries. Frozen fries are really simple to prepare and delectable. It's also entertaining to put a couple beneath your top lip and pretend to be a potato-toothed walrus. Manufactured with vegetable oil, annatto extract, a yellowish plant pigment, salt, and sodium acid pyrophosphate, a preservative that inhibits discoloration. Arrange frozen potatoes on an 11 inches by 17 inches baking sheet in a single layer. Bake until desired color and crispness is achieved, stirring halfway during cooking time. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes on half a baking sheet. 20 to 25 minutes on a full baking sheet. The spices are delicious, as are the fries. It's crispy because I've been air frying it. The thickness of these fries is ordinary, but they have a unique, wave-like structure that gives a wonderful texture to the bite. This sort of fry is more commonly found in fast food restaurants such as Raising Cane's or Arby's than in sit-down restaurants. They are, however, also accessible in frozen iterations. The Lamb Weston Super Crinkle Cut Fries are one of the best examples of frozen crinkle cut fries. These are half-inch crinkle-cut potatoes with a fluffy potato texture on the inside and a golden crispiness on the outside. Because of its thickness, the cut is said to be less prone to breaking than other fries. Lamb Weston also uses potatoes from the Pacific Northwest, which are farmed in rich, old volcanic soil with natural water. Number 2 in our side is Grown in Idaho-style fries. All of our goods at Grown in Idaho are made from 100% Idaho potatoes that have been harvested at their peak of freshness. Idaho's ideal potato temperature and environment enable us to produce fries that are crispy on the exterior and tender on the inside, as well as fluffy, rich, and creamy mashed potatoes. They are not only crispy, but also really crispy. Hand-cut style fries from Idaho also have 0 grams trans fat per serving. Our potatoes are par-fried before freezing, so they are partially cooked and just need to be heated before eating. Preheat the oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 23 to 25 minutes for half a bag or 30 to 35 minutes for a full bag. Grown in Idaho hand-cut style fries are included in each order. Great potatoes result in great fries. Idaho potatoes have a particular texture and flavor due to the growing season's warm days and cool nights, plentiful mountain-fed irrigation, and rich volcanic soil. Grown in Idaho fries and frozen potatoes make it simple to prepare a nice meal for the entire family. Third in our best frozen French fries list is Farm Rich Original French Toast Sticks. Farm Rich just aims to make snacking simple, easy, and delicious. Cut each bacon piece in half crosswise. Wrap a piece of bacon around each frozen mozzarella bite and secure with a toothpick. If preferred, replace the dates with dried figs or apricots. Preheat the grill to medium. Grill, flipping once, for 6 to 8 minutes, or until bacon is crispy, on a well-greased disposable foil dish. Cook the potato skins according to the package instructions. Place in a 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Meanwhile, in a large skillet over medium heat, melt the butter. Sauté the onions, thyme, salt, and pepper for about 5 minutes, or until the onions begin to soften. The crinkle cut of fries is very popular among frozen French fry manufacturers, most likely due to the fancy-seeming waves that may liven up any typical home dinner. Though the aforementioned Lamb Weston Super Crinkle Cut fries are a fantastic option, the Nathan's Jumbo Crinkle Cut French fries are the clear crinkle cut style victors. In addition, our fourth pick is Ore-Ida Crispy Fast Food French Fries. or Ida Extra Crispy Fast Food Fries make it simple to enjoy tasty fast food fries at home. These grade A fries are crisp and golden, prepared with freshly peeled, American-grown potatoes. These gluten-free fries have a crispy top and a fluffy middle for the right textural balance to make your next family meal a success. To make deliciously crispy fries, place these frozen fries on a baking pan and bake according to package directions. These quick fries are sliced thin and straight like fast restaurant fries for added crispness and are ideal for dipping. Serve these fries alongside a standard burger or get creative and top them with cheese and bacon. If you've ever eaten at Red Robin, you're familiar with their thick, delectable steak fries. These fries go great with any food, especially their cheeseburgers, wraps, or as a complement to a Red Robin salad. Not only do these fries have a unique structure and fluffy insides with crispy edges, but they also have the restaurant's proprietary seasoning blend sprinkled all over them. This seasoning is the restaurant's flagship item, and while it goes well with many dishes, it is especially good with the steak fries. The Red Robin brand agrees, and has released a frozen version of the seasoned fries to make and enjoy right at home. These fries taste exactly like the ones you get at Red Robin, but they're not as fresh. Last in this list is Lamb Weston French Fry. Stealth fries, the profitable French fry, are made using a unique, proprietary technology that thinly coats each fry with an almost transparent batter. This method, which employs potato starch derived from the same potatoes used to make our French fries, gives you the best of both worlds, the appetizing taste and appearance of traditional French fries, as well as the profitability and holding performance of coated fries. Weston Stealth Shoestring French Fry 4.5-pound lamb 6 per case. Because of these distinguishing characteristics, Stealth Fries is the industry's best performing coated French fry for extended holding applications. Stealth fries, a popular food service item, are great for any firm looking to boost client satisfaction and income. Choose from a range of succulent, skin-on natural cuts or our signature Stealth fries. 1/4 inch. Lamb Weston is situated in the Pacific Northwest, and their name is a combination of Oregon and Idaho, signifying that they are content to grow their potatoes there. Lamb Weston places a premium on product quality, manufacturing tater tots, French fries, and other potato-based delicacies. Lamb Weston cuts, season, and freezes the potatoes in 1 hour. They produce the wavy look of the crinkle-cut fries after locking in all the delicious, freshly cooked flavor and package them for freezing and reheating at home. Despite the fact that they stress their own flavors, the golden crispers can be seasoned and adorned however you choose once cooked.